What's up, stargazers? Welcome back to Galasky, your destination for everything space, cosmic mysteries, and out-of-this-world sky events. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of the universe, catch epic meteor showers, and witness the most mind-blowing celestial shows, you're in the right place. Smash that subscribe button and join the Galasky family, because you do not want to miss what we have coming up. Today's video is going to be absolutely mind-blowing. We're diving into some of the most epic sky shows happening in December 2025. Plus, I've got a sneak peek at what's coming in 2026. We're talking about meteor showers, planetary alignments, a total solar eclipse, and even a comet that came all the way from another star system. You seriously do not want to miss this. Before we jump into the action, though, let me tell you why 2025 and 2026 are going to be massive years for stargazers. So grab some snacks, get comfy, and let's get ready to explore the night sky. All right, let's get things started with one of the coolest meteor showers of the year, the Geminids. This shower is legendary, and December 2025 is shaping up to be epic for this one. You're going to see up to 120 meteors an hour at its peak. The peak is around December 13th to 15th, but the Geminids will be active before and after those dates too. So if you're a night owl, you'll have plenty of chances to catch some shooting stars. Here's the kicker. The Geminid meteors are some of the brightest and most colorful you'll see all year. The best part? They're visible to the naked eye even if you're not in the most remote area. Just find a dark spot, lay back, and let the show begin. I want to know, who's planning to watch the Geminids this year? Drop your stargazing plans in the comments below. Are you setting up your camera for some epic shots? Let's talk about it. Next up, we've got the full moon in December, also called the cold moon. It happens on December 17th, and this one's going to be something special. It's the last full moon of the year, and it marks the start of the coldest part of winter for the Northern Hemisphere. Now, what makes the cold moon really awesome is that it's the perfect time for moon photography. If you love snapping shots of the moon, this is your chance. It'll be visible all night long, rising at sunset and setting at sunrise. If you're a photographer, try using a long exposure shot to capture the moon's surface in more detail. And don't forget about those lunar halos, those stunning rainbow-like rings that form around the moon when ice crystals in the atmosphere catch the light. They're so cool to see. Okay, now we're really getting into the good stuff. Planetary alignments. There's nothing cooler than seeing a lineup of planets across the sky, and December 2025 has one you don't want to miss. On December 20th, Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars will be aligned in the sky, and you'll be able to see them all at once with just your eyes. That's right, no telescope needed for this one. All three of these massive planets will be visible before dawn, so get up early and catch this incredible view. Jupiter will be the brightest of the bunch, but Saturn's iconic rings and Mars's reddish glow will make this a truly epic sight. Trust me, it's one of those bucket list moments for any stargazer. If you've got a telescope, bring it out. You'll be able to see Jupiter's great red spot, Saturn's rings, and Mars's reddish surface in even more detail. But if you don't have a telescope, you'll still get an awesome show. Now let's fast forward to 2026, and trust me, it's going to be a game changer for space lovers. One of the most anticipated events of the decade, the total solar eclipse on August 12th, 2026. I'm talking about the sky turning dark as night, the sun's corona lighting up like a halo, and the entire world stopping to witness one of nature's most awe-inspiring sights. If you've never seen a total eclipse, it's an experience you'll never forget. The eclipse will be visible across parts of Greenland, Iceland, Spain, and other parts of Europe. So if you're in those areas, mark your calendars, get your eclipse glasses, and get ready for the most incredible few minutes of your life. Will you be in the path of totality for this eclipse?
Let me know where you plan to watch it, and make sure you have your eclipse glasses ready. This is a moment you don't want to miss.
Next up, let's talk about something that's literally out of this world. Comet 2I Borisov. This isn't just any comet. It's an interstellar comet, which means it came from outside our solar system. It's like a visitor from another star. Comet Borisov was first spotted in 2019, and it'll be returning in 2026, so keep your eyes peeled for updates. This is a rare opportunity to see a comet that came from another star system, a cosmic traveler passing through our neck of the galaxy. In 2026, Borisov will be closest to Earth in the second half of the year, and astronomers will be tracking it closely. We don't know exactly when it will be visible to the naked eye yet, but you'll definitely want to keep an eye on it. It's a rare celestial event. Before we wrap up, I just want to remind you to subscribe to Galasky so you never miss out on the latest space news and stargazing tips. We're bringing you everything from the best cosmic events to space exploration updates and everything in between. What celestial event are you most excited about? Is it the Geminid Meteor Shower, the total solar eclipse, or maybe Comet Borisov? Let me know in the comments. Let's chat about it. Thanks for hanging out with me today, Space Fam. I hope you're as hyped as I am for the amazing sky shows coming our way. Keep looking up, stay curious, and remember, the universe is waiting for you to explore it. See you in the next video, and until then, keep reaching for the stars.